Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Ninth tool. Cold heat. Introducing Cold Heat, the world's first cordless cool touch soldering tool. It's hot enough to solder anything in seconds, and when you're done, it cools in seconds. It's lightweight and portable, uses 4AA batteries, and it's ideal for family projects. It's so advanced that it even won the Red Dot Design Award in 2004. Watch again. Instant soldering, and then cool also in seconds. It can easily be used to repair furniture outside for landscaping. Cold heat uses patented technology. After it touches metal, the heat rises rapidly, then, it cools down in seconds. Perfect for cars, crafting, and landscaping. 8th tool. WORKPRO Drive Socket Wrench Set. The Drive Socket Wrench Set from WORKPRO. Constructed from forged CRV steel and chrome-plated, each compound is bound to be durable and rust-resistant. It contains 18 pieces of 3 to 8 inches sockets in both metric and SAE sizes. The ratcheting wrench and an extra extension bar for better performance in limited spaces. This socket set comes in a compact size with 9 PCS metric and 9 PCS SAE sockets for variable use, 1 extension bar for better performance in limited space, 1 ratcheting handle, and 1 spark plug. The patented carrying rack can also be rotated 360 degrees for easy access of the sockets, and the extension bar hidden behind the rack. Its designated slots keep every socket neatly organized too. Finally, the ratcheting wrench also includes a push-button ball that bears a quick-release mechanism, which allows for easy and rapid socket changing. 7th tool. KIMO Ratchet Wrench. The KIMO Ratchet Wrench has a max torque for 40 feet-pounds at 400 RPM and a variable speed trigger. It's lightweight, weighing a mere 2.2 pounds with the battery on, and its ultra-slim head design makes it ultra-convenient to use. The best of its kind. This cordless ratchet performs just like your air ratchet, but without the annoying cords and loud noise from the air hose. On top of that, the ratchet wrench comes equipped with 2 rubber pieces that withstand corrosive materials and increase your comfort when using it. Its built-in LED illuminates the work area, while the on-board fuel gauge displays the remaining run time. 6th tool. Ridgid Reamers and Deburring Tools. The Ridgid Reamers and Deburring tools come in 3 models for plastic pipes up to 100 mm. It comes with an anti-slip hand grip and long-lasting steel blades to easily remove outer ridges and inside burrs of lines. It has 2 models for stainless steel tubing up to 50 mm and 45 cutting edges for a fast and clean result. Its Model 127 is perfect for copper, aluminum, and brass up to 40 mm. It has a lifetime warranty. 5th tool. Milwaukee Pole Saw Kit. The Milwaukee Pole Saw with quick lock attachment systems provide you with the ability to switch from several attachments depending on your tasks. Some of these examples include the edger, hedge trimmer, pole saw, and 3-foot attachment extension. Enter the quick lock attachment system by purchasing either the stream trimmer with quick lock or pole saw with quick lock. The quick lock cutter comes with freestyle changes. Its attachment system saves you from purchasing a tool for every outdoor task, lowering ownership cost. Fourth tool. iCrimp Handy Ratchet Wire Tool. The iCrimp Handy Ratchet Wire Tool for AWG 2210 heat shrink connectors comes in different sizes, measuring up to 7.2 inches with carbon steel, with waterproof surface treatment and an environment-friendly handle. This innovative tool features a new design with a shorter handle and lighter weight, making the crimping much more comfortable and portable. Its ergonomic handles make it easy to operate with one hand. Its well-polished jaws ensure no sharp edges to damage the heat shrink insulation. The grooves in the joints are constructed with metal plating to provide higher strength. Its ratchet mechanism assures uniform, accurate, and reliable crimps every time. Its release tab makes it possible to unlock the handles in the crimping operation. Its high-quality ratchet mechanism allows you to insert the stripped wire and to crimp in every wire. Third tool. WORKPRO 6-in-1 Staple Gun. Introducing the WORKPRO 6-in-1 Staple Gun. The staple gun features a 6-in-1 function, a convenient strong point of the product, able to be compatible with 6 kinds of staples and nails, including T50, JT21, T20, CT10X, and pin. It can replace all your previous staple guns, allowing you not to change different staple guns frequently. The staple gun also inherits a unique feature: dual power. With its high-low power lever, this staple gun will help you work with hard and soft materials. This is a hand-operated stapler that works well on weather stripping, insulation, small fencing, upholstery, and other stapling projects. No need to adjust according to a different type of staples nails at all. You just need to put the staples nails in before starting. It also carries a patented mechanism that will prevent a stapler from jamming. Second tool. Klein Multipurpose 6-in-1 Tool. The Klein Multipurpose 6-in-1 tool cuts and strips solid and stranded wire. It cuts various bolt sizes and insulated connectors. It gauges wire sizes and comes with plastic-covered handles for comfort. First tool. Ridgid SeekTech Transmitter. The transmitter generates a signal that's up to 10 times stronger than standard transmitters, allowing you greater distances. It can be powered with diesel batteries and recharged with its AC battery adapter. The Ridgid SeekTech transmitter is a product used for electrical conduit, featuring direct connect on any frequency at least 10 Hz 490 kHz. It weighs 12.15 pounds with batteries and comes with 6 alkaline and rechargeable batteries power source. We hope you liked these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.